Hey guys, this is Trey. I created this video to help you understand how your eternal seed works. It's basically a cash gifting program for us to help each other save in our community by paying it forward. So on the site, if you scroll down a little bit, this is the home page. You scroll down, you can take a look at the mission statement. So it says, our mission is to provide a home for like-minded people to work together, to practice the universal laws of giving and receiving, and to offer an activity where everyone can be happy and successful. So on the platform, there's actually a back office which will allow you to and others to monitor what's going on with your gifts that you send and receive. And that looks like this right here. This is what the back office will look like when you're tracking where you are on the board, where you're placed, and the people that are gifting you. If you're up top, you'll be down here, you're gifting that person, and you'll move up as people come in behind you. And the different levels of actually gifting are, I'll show you that. Okay, so level 1, everybody at the bottom is gifting $25 to the top person. So it'll be a total of $200. And then level 2, everyone on the bottom 8 is gifting $100 to the top to make $800. Level 3 are $500 gifts to make $4,000. Level 4, you have $1,000 gifts to equal $8,000. And then level 5, you're gifting $3,000 gifts to the top for $24,000. So just so you know, everyone starts at the $25 level and they move up from there. Now, it's not mandatory to invite others, but it's highly suggested so we can move the boards along. And you can track all the movements in the back office when you log in. So, also one more thing. Excuse me. As you are moving up through the levels, you see how you put in 25 to get 200. What we'll try to do is you take half of that 200 and put it back into level 1. So then you can move up to $800. Then you take the 500 from that 800 so you can move up to the next level. So you're really initially starting with that $25 in the beginning. But you'll also want to have $10 as well when you initially sign up. It's an admin fee. You only have to pay that one time. So really your total investment up front will be $35, and then you move up these different levels. But like I said, it's highly suggested that you invite people so you can move these boards along. And actually, if you're interested in learning more, you can click the link down below to join. And well, look, I look forward to seeing you on the inside.